let us start to draw the figure of question number 4, rectangle OKAY. So here OK is 7 cm, KA is 5 cm, AY is 7 cm and OY is 5 cm. In rectangle, opposite sides will be equal in measure. So let us start to draw. We will draw first the line segment OK of 7 cm. So let us draw 7 cm. Now here each angle will be of 90 degree. So from K, this is OK, and from K we will take the measurement of 90 degree angle. So first draw the semicircle. We have to take 90 degree angle. So draw the arc from here. This will be of 60 degree angle and this will be of 120 degree angle. From these two, again with the same measurement, draw the arc on the upper side. This will be of 90 degree. So let us join it. So extend it further and take the point X here. Okay. Now this will be of 5 cm. So take the measurement of 5 cm. From here take the measurement of 5 cm and put the arc. So this will be your point A. This will be A point and this will be 5 cm. Now the same way we will take the 90 degree angle here. So draw the semicircle from point O with OI center. Draw one semicircle and with the same measurement draw one arc for 60 degree. This is the another arc for 120 degree, and with the same measurement draw one arc on the upper side, one by one. So where they will intersect each other, join the line, it will be of 90 degree. So extend it further and give the point P here. This we will give as Q. Okay. Now here is 5 cm, so opposite also will be 5 cm. So again we will cut the arc of 5 cm. So from point O, cut the arc of 5 cm. Now we have got point Y here. Now we will join this AY. So join it AY. So this is 7 cm. This will be also 7 cm. This is 5 cm. So this will be also 5 cm. And this both the angles will be of 90 degree here also and here also. Angle O is 90 degree, angle K is 90 degree, and so our rectangle OKAY is ready. Study to make the quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Okay, so when you have to draw the rough sketch first. In this rough sketch, now you have to mention the angle first, which angle is of how much measure. Then it will be very clear how to draw. Okay, so let us take as example, construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB equal to 4 cm, BC equal to 5 cm, CD equal to 6.5 cm, angle B is 105 degree and angle C is equal to 80 degree. Now let us see the rough figure first. Here AB is 4 cm, BC is 5 cm, this DC is 6.5 cm and angle B is 105 degree, angle C is 80 degree. Now let us start. First we will take BC of length 5 cm. Okay, so start taking BC of length 5 cm. Then this angle See, this angle is of 105 degree. Okay, so from here you have to draw the 105 degree. Make one semicircle, then make two arcs and take 90 degree angle. First, after taking 90 degree, make the arc of 105 degree. So draw an angle of 105 degree along BX. So mark the line as BX. Okay, ray should be BX. Locate A 4 cm away on this. So from point B, take the measurement of arc of 4 cm and locate the point A here of 4 cm. So AB is 4 cm. Now we have B, C and A. We have taken 3 points now, A, B and C. Now next fourth point we have to take. The fourth point D is on CY. Now from point C, take the measurement of angle of 80 degree. You can take this with the help of protractor. So from C, take the measurement of 80 degree with the help of protractor and draw CY. Draw a long ray CY. Now which is included at 80 degree to BC. Now so BCY equal to 80 degree. So BCY will be 80 degree. Add C on BC. Okay. Then after, next step, D is at the distance of 6.5 cm. Now we have drawn this ray CY. Now D point we have to locate here. This D point is at the distance of 6.5 cm. So with the help of rounder, take the measurement of 6.5 cm and draw one arc. So this will be your D point. Okay. So with the help of rounder you will draw. Then after, draw an arc of length 6.5 cm. It cuts CY at point D. So we will get here D point. Now the next step here, complete the quadrilateral ABCD. Now we got this fourth point also. So A, B, C, D, and we will join now A and D. We will join AD, so our quadrilateral will be ready. So let us see. Complete the quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a required quadrilateral. So after completing the quadrilateral, just check that all the measurements are written properly or not. BC equal to 5 cm. Then DC is 6.5 cm. AD at last you will draw. And here measurement will not be given. Whatever measurement will come will be the measurement of AD. And AB is 4 cm. Angle B should be 105 degree. And angle C should be 80 degree. Thus our quadrilateral ABCD is ready. Let us start with exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Quadrilateral DEAR. Here I have drawn the rough figure. DE is 4 cm. EA is 5 cm. Angle E is 60 degree. Angle A is 90 degree. And AR is 4.5 cm. So let us start to draw. So line segment DE we will draw 4 cm first. So DE is 4 cm. Now from point E, this is DE. From point E we will take 60 degree angle. So let us start with the help of rounder. Draw a small semicircle. Without changing the measurement, make another arc for 60 degree like this. So this is angle of 60 degree now. Now extend it and mark it here point X. Now EA is 5 cm. So we will take the measurement of 5 cm with the help of rounder. So taking 5 cm, we will cut off the arc. So this will be point A and this is 5 cm. Now from A we have to take the angle of 90 degree. So for this you can rotate the figure now. From A we will draw the angle of 90 degree now. So for that again take the semicircle of any measurement. From here, without changing the measurement, draw the two arcs, one of 60 degree, one of 120 degree, and from these two arcs, draw another arc on the upper side. Let these two arcs intersect each other. This will be the point for taking 90-degree angle. So we will join this point with A. Again extend it further and mark here point Y. So this will be point Y. From A we have to take 4.5 centimeter. So again take the measurement of 4.5 centimeter with the help of rounder, and this 4.5 centimeter arc we will draw from point A, taking point A as center. So this will be point R now. This will be point R. Now we will rotate the figure. Now join this point D and R. So we will join it, point D and R. So our quadrilateral DEAR is ready. This is 4.5 centimeter, RA, EA is 5 centimeter, DE is 4 centimeter. This is 60 degree angle. This is 90 degree angle. So our quadrilateral DEAR is ready. Now question number 2, quadrilateral TRUE. Here TR is 3.5 cm, RU is 3 cm, then UE is 4 cm, angle R is 75 degree and angle U is 120 degree. So let us start to draw. Now let us draw TR equal to 3.5 cm first. So TR is 3.5 cm. This is TR 3.5 cm. Now from angle R we have to take 75 degree measurement. So let us take the measurement of 75 degree. Draw the semicircle first. Take the measurement of 60 degree and 120 degree angles, one arc. Without changing the measurement, take the arc 1. This is second arc. And from these two arcs, draw one arc on the upper side and let these two arcs cut each other. They will intersect each other. This will be the line of 90 degree now. We will get the 90 degree angle line. Now from this line you have to, from this point and this point, we will take the arc now further. So take the arc 1 and one from here 2. They will intersect each other. And where they will intersect, it will be the 75 degree angle. So let us join the line, extend it further and mark here point X. Now this RU, we have to take U point now. It is 3 centimeter. So again mark 3 centimeter with the help of scale and rounder. Okay, so 3 centimeter. Then from R, cut off 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter cut off for U point. So this is point U and this is 3 centimeter now. And from point we have to take now 120 degree. For that again we will rotate the figure. Let us draw the semicircle for 120 degree angle now. and draw two arcs without changing the rounder measurement. Draw one arc from here. This is 120 degree angle arc. So we will draw the line now passing through this arc from U point. Extend it further and mark it Y. Okay. Now this U, and we have to take the point E here at the distance of 4 centimeter. So again we will take the measurement from scale and rounder. So 4 centimeter measurement we will take. Okay, so from U, cut off the length of 4 centimeter here. This will give you point E. So this is point E now. And from point E, you will join the point T now. So we will join it, T and E point. So our quadrilateral now, TRUE, is ready. Let us rotate the figure again. The measurements. TRUE here, RU is 3 cm, TR is 3.5 cm, angle U is 120 degree, this is 75 degree, and UE is 4 cm. So our quadrilateral TRUE is ready. Construct the quadrilaterals up to exercise 4.4 in your classwork using instruments. Thank you.